Wants to do things without following the law. So crime, that's mainly the work of the police. And within the peace, there is terrorism. There are those who are not only breaking the law, but to do so using terrorism, which is a method of breaking the law and the constitution. And those who don't follow the constitution, they fall under the bracket of treason if you don't follow the constitution. Then corruption. So the UPDF, the Uganda police, the intelligence services are struggling with those problems. And we have been building their capacity to do that. I know exactly where each one of them is now, what they have and what they need to get, and what they need to do. In the UPDF, we still have two small gaps, which we shall close. This is enough eyes on the lakes. We have systems in many places, but on the lakes we need more eyes. To see more. The lakes, Victoria, Narubale, Mutumbi, the one of what they call Edward, and Mutanzije, Albert. We need more eyes on those lakes, and we are working on it. And then terrorism, we need more capacity to quickly locate those who are planning or doing terrorism. Quickly, not waste time. The Uganda police have moved. Remember, I introduced the cameras, and some people are trying to waste my time with procurement. What? I'm not a procurement officer. But I insisted that group called Huawei,
investors to partner with prisons to establish a tannery for the benefit of all armed forces. There is no doubt, Your Excellency, that with adequate support, Uganda Prisons is a strategic partner in Uganda's development. Not only do we want to produce shoes, we also want to produce gadgets, pips, cups, etc., belts, etc., so that we save money from importing rapid prisoner population of 8% per annum. Your Excellency, in the recent past, we have recruited a number of judicial officers, judges, registrars, chief magistrates, and magistrates to fast track Your Excellency, in order to make judiciary more effective, there is a need to equally facilitate the police, the Directorate of Public Prosecution, and Uganda Prison Service to complete the chain of justice. Your Excellency, the Uganda Police Force, Directorate of Citizenship Immigration Control, the National Identification and Registration Authority, the Directorate of Government Analytical Laboratory are equally on the correct path of implementing your directives and guidance.
Sinzira kusaba okulakulira ekitongole ky'amakomera twagala byakukozesa tulyoke tukole emirimu omukulu omukulembeze w'eggwanga gy'atuwadde ng'okulima pamba kwetaaga mu byuma bicombine harvester biweeders bifumigators bwe tubanga tukozeseza ebyuma kijja kutwawera kuba nti tukavalinga ekarage enene ne production nebeera ng'erinnya waggulu nebikwata ku bya naddala kulima kasooli era kyekimu infact n'ebibajje bye baatuwa ebyabugu nabyo ebyuma byaffe bikaddiye twagalamu ebipya naye tusanyuse nnyo omukulembeze w'eggwanga ogamba ajja tuwuliriza nnyo oba ajja kukwatagana naawe bekikwatako kuba nti batuwa essente tukole emirimu gy'eggwanga nga bannayuganda fena tuganyirwemu.